well. It's a very interesting character. I would say it's something more than a normal Hindi film heroine does. I mean, there is a scope for me to perform. There's something more than just singing and dancing and smiling and looking good. And I have been loving working on this film. It was when we did the last schedule, that was in Manali. Suddenly, I was not even prepared for the schedule, and suddenly we landed up there. But then the unit has been very helpful, and I have enjoyed myself so much. And the character, I can say, is pretty close to me. Something similar to what I am at times. So it was not very difficult to do, with of course Mr. Harry Baweja's help. First of all, if my start was false, I wouldn't be here in the industry after the kind of films that I had. Secondly, I might not have had a major blockbuster success, but I've had films which have done reasonably well and have been doing good. My popularity has been increasing, the response that I'm getting from the audience has been increasing, so I would not call it a false start at all. I think whatever happens, happens for the good, and I think the going is good. We're all having a good time. Madhu is also a great co-artist, so is Ajay, and of course Mr. Harry Baweja is a great director. We're all having a great time, we're enjoying ourselves. I don't think any Hindi film is complete without songs, and I wouldn't want it to be complete without songs also, because somehow you feel very incomplete if there is a film without songs. We do enjoy them at certain points in commercial films. So we do have our bit of songs, but I think they picturize really well. And the way we're planning to picturize some of them it's a really nice way that we're doing it. And I think it's different, it's because I'm not playing just a decorative piece. I think I'm doing something a little more than that. In Manali we were stuck because we had snowstorms and stuff like that, and it was really cold and we got stuck without shooting, but I think we really enjoyed ourselves when we got stuck. We had a great time. I mean, Mr. Harry Baweja should have had I can imagine what kind of tension he must have had. He's got this huge unit of like 100-150 people out there in Manali, and suddenly 4 days of no work because of landslides and stuff, and so he must have been going paranoid at that moment, but I think he put up a really good front, and
it's a very exciting role. इसमें मेरा रोल है एक टेररिस्ट का, बहुत अलग टाइप का रोल है और बहुत मज़ा आ रहा करते हुए, क्योंकि मेरी जो इमेज है वो एक सॉफ्ट गर्ल की और वैसे टाइप की है, और इस फिल्म में मेरा रोल एकदम टफ, तो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट एंड चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी और वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. उसमें मेरा मतलब टेररिस्ट के साथ को कुछ था ही नहीं. इट वॉज अ काइंड ऑफ अ लव स्टोरी ट्रैक. माई ट्रैक वॉज अ लव स्टोरी ट्रैक. इज़ वेरी क्लियर इन हिज माइंड कि उन्हें क्या चाहिए और उन्होंने इस कैरेक्टर को कैसे कंसीव किया है और क्या सोचा है इस कैरेक्टर के बारे में. तो उनके साथ मेरी काफ़ी मतलब टॉक्स और डिस्कशंस हुई हैं, एंड ही इज़ हेल्पिंग मी बिल्ड अप माई कैरेक्टर. एंड बिकॉज इट इज़ डिफरेंट, इट इज़ मोर इंटरेस्टिंग, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल्सो लिटिल रिस्की. तो इसलिए अच्छा और ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है कि इस कैरेक्टर को कैसे करें, क्योंकि इससे पहले मैंने कोई कैरेक्टर ऐसा देखा नहीं है जिसके मतलब थ्रू इंस्पिरेशन लिया जाए. सो इट्स ऑल माइंड, सो इट्स मोर फन. मुझे ये बताना नहीं आता. इफ़ आई हैड टू टेल समवन आई वुड से कि ये एक टेररिस्ट का है कैरेक्टर और बहुत अच्छा रोल है, और बाकी आप स्क्रीन पे देखिए. बिकॉज दिस गर्ल इज इन लव विद द गाय, एंड येट शी इज़ अ टेररिस्ट. सो इवन टेररिस्ट कैन बी इन लव, एंड टेररिस्ट इज नॉट लाइक हम लोग जैसे मतलब सोचते हैं कि दे आर बैड, दे आर मीन. दे आर जस्ट मोटिवेटेड पीपल. सो मे बी दे आर जस्ट शी कैन ऑल्सो फॉल इन लव एंड फील द सेम थिंग. So it's very beautiful. It's very thin line, Terrorists are not bad people, but just motivated people. Sonali's character also is very beautiful, but it's a straight romantic role. It doesn't have this angle of terrorism, which makes a little bit of a difference. It's not like a normal love story. There are two girls and they are in love with him. As far as the commercial success goes, well, I've had good commercial success. May not be as big as Roja, but most of my films have been doing well this way and that way. And I'm waiting for great roles. My forthcoming film, Yashwant, which is releasing, I think, next month, should be a very beautiful film. जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे तो आप समझ जाएंगे. सिर्फ एक वर्ड में बोलना कि टेररिस्ट है तो ऐसा लगता है कि विलन है, पर ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप पिक्चर देखेंगे तो by circumstances she is in a group of terrorists, but and because she's brought up and growing with them, she feels like a terrorist, but when she's in love she's different, and